Good afternoon, everyone. It's the month of March, and let's have our first Tagalog word for the month of March or Marso. But first, I need to get some stuff first that we need at home. I got all the stuff I need back in the car. And now, let's have our Tagalog word. So, by the way, guys, did you see the prices there? What is our Tagalog word? Sulit. Sulit. Lit. Sulit. Let's have an example. I got oranges, 3 pounds, and I got it for $2.99 here. How come it's sulit, or how come it's worth my time stopping by here and just getting it from here? Why it's sulit? On the other store right there, it's $4.99. Also, there's another store very close from home. Often they have it on sale for $3.98. $3.98 is already on sale, and it's cheaper than $4.99, but $3.98 is not cheap enough for me. Well, and I know that the store right here where I got it from is a lot cheaper, so I decided to just get it from here. So I think it's sulit. So I think it's worth my time. It's worth my time stopping here and getting it from here. Sulit. Sulit. So that's all for our Tagalog word of the day. Did you just do something that you think is worth your time? Or maybe you bought something that you think is a little bit expensive, but you think it's worth the money or sulit?